F10 started with Cheeky's, and that's still my baby. It's my first and always will be. And we're a little breakfast restaurant, and I set out to build something that could honor our local farms, and so we have a changing menu that changes every week. We like to honor our produce and serve what comes from here and what's local and fresh and tastes so good. And then we opened Birba, which is an Italian restaurant that's right next to us, and we have a hotel called Alcazar, and then I opened and closed a restaurant called Jow, and then Mr. Lyons came about, which is a big 10,000 square foot steakhouse and a little cocktail bar called Seymour's, and then we made our way into North County, San Diego to open High Low and High Pie, and then came back and opened Birba Cabazon, and now we just opened 2 new restaurants out in Indio, the Tack Room, and we're going to put another Birba out there. There's 2 things that are important to me, and one is small farms. I like farms that we get to know the owners and we know that they are going to be always farming with integrity. And secondly, I really like serving what's in season. I think what made us successful right from the start is we always make everything from scratch, and we don't cut corners, and we make food that we love to eat. I just love the spirit of feeding people. It's like how I share what I want to give back to the world. Frankie is our food truck that I built out of COVID, and my original catalyst was that kids aren't going to school and they're not getting fed, because we know a lot of kids get their only meal at schools. And so how do we get to a lot of people fast, and how do we make it fun like F10 tries to and everything that they do? And so I did a little research, and we created this food truck that has automats down the side, and the idea is like food pops out of these cubbies. I think that as we studied more and more about it, we found that there's a lot of shame behind food insecurity, so there's something very helpful that some of our neediest participants don't need to look at someone in the face or interact with people, and it's very fun and engaging, and it doesn't have any judgment. And I think those elements have to all kind of be thought of when we're thinking about food insecurity. There are many sides of Tara Lazar, and I think they're represented in all my restaurants.